Hey guys, Jason from Ensville Auto Sales here with our 1937 Ford pickup truck. Super excited about this one, guys. This just rolled in from North Dakota. Hasn't been on the road for several decades. It's a true barn find survivor. You can see last registered back in the 60s. This thing rolled in, hadn't been run in quite some time. We did get her to fire up. Believe it or not, runs, drives, goes through the gears, still has brakes. They don't build them like they used to. That's what they say, right? And this one's true. A really complete and solid truck. We did get it to fire up on its own. It does, of course, need some mechanical work on there if you're going to try to make this a driver by any stretch. But has all the fenders, the running boards. Usually these are all rotted out. Of course, there's a little bit of rot in the rockers and whatnot. But overall, just a super solid truck. Inside, factory gauges are still intact and actually in dang good shape. Original seat is in place with springs, but it does have some of, Grandpa did a few repairs. Like, hey, grab that bed sheet, Earl, and we're gonna get this thing fixed back up. So anyway, it does look much better than most that you would see that have been sitting for this long. Doors are still solid and close well. Bed is here, pretty dang solid for what it is. Fenders, which are really hard to find, as you guys know. If you're looking at this truck, they usually are completely rotted out on that lower section there. We did see some frame rot on this one. Kenny's probably gonna get a little zoom in there. You can see it going through the side there. We did put a couple of beads on there just to really get her a little bit more solid. That being said, if you are gonna drive this thing, it does need a little bit more frame repair to do that. Brand new gas tanks put in there, and we just installed a electric fuel pump to hook up and get her to run and fire. So it is running and driving. Could be loaded up on a trailer or a transporter. So you know what? Let's make a deal on this one. And honestly, I don't think you're gonna find anything more solid as far as a rust-free survivor. So let's make this one yours today.